Hey there friends, it's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, where I hope to inspire you all to create and decorate a home that you love. As you hop on, say hello to me. I am in a fun new place here in Denton that has some amazing crafting materials, and I cannot wait to show them to you. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and kind of give you all a quick tour. It's gonna be my first time to look at everything. Same time as you guys. Hey Becky, come on in and drop a comment below, let me know where you're watching from, and then be sure to spread the love around and send this to a friend. All right, here we go. All right, so this is, oh, I didn't put my AirPods in. Well, that's typical. All right, so this is kind of taken the place of the scrap that I showed you guys before. And, but look at all these fun things. And they have an online shop too, so I will get you guys the link to that as well. How fun are these rulers, guys? I'm gonna have to get some pictures. I'm gonna have to get some of these for some projects. Rulers make some of the best projects. Look at this. How cute is this? And then lots of corks, lots of bottle caps, all sorts of fun collections. Lots of glass. I love how everything is really neat and stored like beautifully on the shelves. You can kind of see everything at once. You guys let me know if you can hear me well enough. Look at the little yogurt jars. Aren't they cute? I think they're super cute. So we'll keep those in mind. And then the little baby food jars. So basically they have everything you could ever want or need for making projects. And you guys know that's what we're all about. All right, so we've got some paints, some papers, some supplies right here. And they've got some marbles. Love the marbles, super cute. Look at this little box of wooden spools. How fun is that? All right, and then they've got more up here. Love that. And then lots of little sewing notions and things. Sorry, got to, lots of embroidery hoops. Probably grab a couple of these. Good little prices on everything. All right, look at all of the yarns. Cute, cute, cute yarns. And fabric, guys, you know. Oh, look at the little lace trim. Love it. Look at the blue trim. You're in need of unusual buttons? How fun. Love to hear what you're making. Look at all of the fabric, guys. And they have zippers up here, just so you can kind of see zippers. And then some more fabric. I spy some buffalo check. This is really cute buffalo check because it has also like a little floral hint on it. And then little scraps. Okay, we've missed this middle table. We've got a punch, we've got scrapbook paper, we've got all sorts of notions and stickers. Look at all these stickers. Love it. Cute. Some scrapbooking supplies. And then look underneath this table here. We've got some wicker spheres, 25 cents. Those are cool for decorating, guys. We could make a couple of things with that. I'll have to show y'all what I end up with, but this is kind of a brief overview of what is here. They have all of these paints. Love the little display. Super cute. All right. We've got some pencils, extra Sharpies. Can never have too many, right? And then over here decor. We've got my favorite, you guys, ribbons. Let's see, but they're in little bundles. I love that. Okay, these are going to be coming home with me, just so you know, because they're all cute. And they're already kind of put together. Look at this one. And you get this entire bundle, guys. $1. $1. Yes, please. I think I hit the score for this stuff. Cute, cute, cute. Look back here. We've got some Halloween. We've got some multicolored and hearts. And then some brown, some pom-poms. All right, and then we've got some other ribbon in here. Cute, cute. Look at this rickrack. Love it. It's hot pink. All right. Look at this. I love that with the hot pink. Looky there. We're already rocking and rolling with that right there. Okay. So you never know what you're gonna find here. They have lots of stamps and fun supplies, guys. Paper, kind of random tins. They have all these like fun tins that we can use for projects. Love it. Look at this dog, it's upside down. All right, look at these little chalkboards. Those are cute. Then we've got some random supplies down here that you can pick from. And some little tea tins. I love these for pouring candles. You can always, they're so pretty. Like, can you just picture like a Christmas candle in that one? That would be perfect. We've got some florals. We've got some picture frames. And then we've got some wreaths up here, guys. Marilyn, welcome. First time on. Welcome. Come on in. We are just perusing. Look at this. Some fun little wreaths. Perfect. All right. So listen, guys. Oh, they have some other things here too. So I'm going to pan back out, show you the entire place in a snapshot. How cute are these plants? Anyway, this is where we just were, and that is what we looked at. We looked at that, and then this is the register. It's a really small, quaint place, but it has so many different things in it. So don't let the size fool you. Okay? All right. So for those of you who missed it, I am at a little shop in Denton called Thistle Creative Reuse. And I tagged the location here in the description, and then I'm going to answer your questions. So feel free to drop them below. I'm gonna grab a few things and I'll try to show you guys later what I got. Okay, have an amazing day. We just finished prom and taking a bunch of pictures for my daughter for prom. So that's kind of what we've been doing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.